Hello guys, here I have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I will show you how you can open the emergency drain water. So in the first step, take out the cover of the filter. Now just pull this black cable and put something under it, a bowl or other water vessel, because the water will go out. Now just remove this element, just pull it up. Now the water should come out, and basically this is how you can do it. After that, just close it properly, push it back and close the cover. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.